Hey folks, if you've ever dreamt of adding that personal touch to pretty much anything from a custom gift to revamping your home decor, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of laser engravers, these incredible machines that let you carve, cut, and create with pinpoint precision. We've got 5 amazing picks that are really pushing the envelope in terms of what you can do at home or in your workshop. So let's jump right into it and see which one's perfect for you. You can find all the product links to check their price on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the LaserPecker Laser Engraver. This little dynamo is a real marvel for anyone on the go or with limited space. It's incredibly fast, zipping through projects with an ultra speed that really makes a difference. And the precision is just top-notch. We're talking super crisp details. It's compact, easy to set up, and honestly, it works like a charm for everything from a quick custom gift to more intricate designs. Basically, the portable powerhouse that fits right into your creative workflow. Next up, we have the longer laser engraver, and holy cow, this one brings some serious power to the table. With its robust laser, it handles both engraving and cutting like a champ, making it super versatile for all sorts of materials. The built-in touchscreen is a nice touch, letting you control things without needing to be tethered to a computer, which is pretty slick for offline use. It's got a solid work area and feels really well built, ready to tackle bigger projects with ease. Basically the sturdy workhorse ready to tackle your toughest creative demands. Moving on to the Creality Laser Engraver, this machine is a real head-turner, especially if you're into precision and versatility. It comes equipped with Air Assist, which is a total game-changer for cleaner cuts and engravings, keeping things looking sharp and professional. Plus, the rotary roller attachment is a stroke of genius, letting you engrave on cylindrical objects with surprising ease. No more fudging around with uneven surfaces. It's a solid, dependable unit that really punches above its weight, basically the clever artisan's tool for intricate and rounded projects. Then we've got the Acmer Laser Engraver, a fantastic choice for those who demand serious accuracy and a decent work area. This machine boasts incredible precision, getting down to the nitty-gritty details with absolute clarity. So your designs really pop. It offers a good-sized engraving space, giving you plenty of room to stretch your creative muscles, whether it's a big piece of wood or a custom metal plate. It's built tough and runs smoothly, making it a reliable partner for continuous use, basically the precision powerhouse that makes every detail count. And to wrap things up, we have the Carverall Laser Engraver, a truly versatile machine that's ready to tackle a whole bunch of materials, from coated metal to wood, acrylic, glass, and even stone. This bad boy handles it all with impressive results, making it super adaptable for any project you throw at it. It offers a practical work area, similar to a standard piece of paper, which is perfect for common crafting needs. It's user-friendly and delivers consistent, high-quality engravings every time, a real workhorse for the hobbyist or small business. Basically, the all-in-one wonder that opens up a world of material possibilities. There you have it. 5 fantastic laser engravers that are truly hitting it out of the park. Each one brings something unique to the table, helping you bring your wildest creative ideas to life. Happy crafting, everyone.